আসসালামু আলাইকুম গাইস, আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আজকে আপনাদের সাথে মূলত যে টপিক্সটা নিয়ে আসছি কথা বলবো সেটা হচ্ছে কানাডা লাইফ ইন্স্যুরেন্স, রাইট? তো আজকে আপনাদের সাথে এটা নিয়ে যে টপিক্সটা আলোচনা করব, আপনারা যদি এই ভিডিওটা ফুল দেখেন, যদি স্কিপ করে না যান, না টেনে দেখেন, তাহলে অবশ্যই আপনারা বুঝতে পারবেন কীভাবে কানাডা লাইফ ইন্স্যুরেন্সে আপনারা আপনাদের অ্যাকাউন্টটা কীভাবে প্রোফাইলটা ক্রিয়েট করে এখানে ইন্স্যুরেন্সটা করতে পারবেন। মূলত ইন্স্যুরেন্সের মানে কতদিন আগে করা হয়েছে, কিভাবে করবেন, এইসব বিষয়ে আজকে কথা হবে। তো ভিডিওটি অবশ্যই স্কিপ করে দেখবেন না, অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিবেন, পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করে দিবেন। সো লেটস গেট স্টার্ট। আচ্ছা, আমরা প্রথমে এখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছি কানাডা লাইফ পার্সোনাল ইন্স্যুরেন্স সম্পর্কে আপনাদেরকে এখন আমি ধারণা দিতে চাচ্ছি আর কি। Size the moments that make life worth it. Insurance protection can help give you the confidence to embrace every opportunity to life each day to the fullest. আচ্ছা, রিটায়ারমেন্ট এখানে ওরা কি বলতেছে সেটা আমরা এখন দেখি। আচ্ছা, every retirement plan is different. We can help you discover yours. What image come to mind when you think of retirement? Maybe it's off day with no fixed schedules, free for you to feel with things that brings you joy. Maybe you see all the places you will visit when you finally have the time. What is there was a chance to achieve some of your post-retirement life goals today. Changing your view on retirement might help you realize your dreams sooner. Instead of looking at retirement as a permanent state, what if you could taste the freedom of retirement while you are still working? Or better still, what if you could retire earning in a way that's fulfilling and financially practice? আচ্ছা, তারা এখানে বলতেছে দ্য অল্টারনেটিভ রিটায়ারমেন্ট ল্যান্ডস্কেপ। If you try to bring 9 to 5 job, there are several options that give you the flexibility of retirement without significantly hurting your finance. Seasonal works. Instead of working all year, consider jobs that are seasonal. Think of working at a golf course during the summer and fall, at a ski resort in the winter, or coaching a sports team for few months. This will free up part of the year for you to enjoy the other interest. And if the seasonal work itself is an area of interest for you, even better. Part-time work. If you are looking to slow down and want more room in your day or week, consider part-time work. Changing your current employment to part life allows you to still being involved with your current employee, but you are working less hours and are aging into retirement. Alternatively, you could share your knowledge by taking a job as a private tutor, help people prepare their taxes, work at your favorite retail stores, or even become an event planner. সেলফ এমপ্লয়মেন্ট নিজের সম্পর্কে আপনাদের একটু করবেন। তো ওরা ওইখানে কী বলতেছে সেটা আমরা এখানে আপনাদেরকে দেখাতে যাচ্ছি। স্টার্টিং এ বিজনেস allows you not only be our own boss but could also help you given a job to others. The possibilities are unlimited. Not all business need large capital to set up. An entrepreneurial spirit and touch of creativity are sometimes more than enough. You could open your own craft store, offer landscaping or dog walking service to neighborhoods, help people move to take care of their house then they go on vacation. It could be your chance to turn a position into profits. Back to school. Is there a subject you always wanted to learn more about but did not have time to when you stand working? আচ্ছা, back to school এর বলতেছে, is there a subject you always wanted to learn more about but did not have time to when you started working? Why not do it now? It could be an art that you have been interested in for a long time or professional development course that will move you ahead in your career. Mini retirement, আচ্ছা এটা তারা বলতেছে roadmap for early retirement. If you are serious about saying goodbye or working life sooner, you need a clear roadmap. Here are a few tips to help you start. Boost retirement income. Have other income option while you are working. It could be a second job or even rental income. Build skill over and above that your job needs. Make use of any career development options give at your career job. This can come in handy if you take up the role of consultant when you step out of the 9 to 5 grind. Lower your experience by eliminating unnecessary habits like caffeine or nicotine. Early retirement is often connected to third-less. While you may need to lower your expense to fit your new life, it doesn't have to be boring. Develop and enjoy low-cost hobbies and possession. Focus on experience, not stuff. An early and alternative retirement is more about a mindset shift than anything else. Don't settle by dowsing. Instead, think to leading a different kind of lifestyle altogether. আচ্ছা, তারা এখানে দেখে কি বলছে, বিজনেস সলিউশন। What is business insurance and do I need it? Key takeaway: business insurance can help your business keep running smoothly and protect your employee when something unexpected happens. There are various situations in an insurance policy that explain what is covered and what isn't it. There are all kinds of situations that create the need for business insurance. There are steps or purchasing the business insurance you need. What is business insurance? তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে এই পর্যন্তই। ভিডিওটি যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। আবারও বলছি, অবশ্যই একটি লাইক করে দিবেন। এই তো ছিল আজকের ভিডিওটা। তো সাথে থাকার জন্য ধন্যবাদ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।